I suggest, Mr. Chair, that all these officers here present who had been lying to their teeth, may investigador na lumabas ng investigasyon ng PNP, tapos napapailing nila itong dalawa nating mga kasamahan na mga dating senior police officers and they're very veteran police officers. I would suggest, Mr. Chair, habang nagsisinungaling itong mga ito dahil hindi pa naman po sila ayaw nilang umamin sa panluloko, panghuhut-hut, whatever you want to call it, may I suggest that we cite them in contempt, Mr. Chair.
In relation to the motion of Deputy Speaker, Majority, Deputy Speaker, Majority, Honorable Erwin Tulfo, for to cite for contempt for the following PNP personnel na nakita po natin na parang pinaglalaruan lamang po tayo. At base po doon sa reports, mga nakikita nating mga ebidensya, testimonies, talagang dapat po na suportahan natin yung motion for citing contempt of Honorable Erwin Tulfo for the following personnel. Police Major Magsalos, Police Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, Police Major Joson Quijana, Staff Sergeant Democrito, Sergeant Danilo Desder, and Sergeant Rio Quinto.
Mr. Chair, before we proceed, the Chair would like to recognize Congressman Eddie Bong Plaza, our Vice Chairman. There's a motion to cite into contempt the following PNP personnel, and there's a second motion that seconded by Congressman Flores.
Mr. Chair, other than the period of detention, Mr. Chair, it is also up to the committee as the place of detention, Mr. Chair. And for me, I recommend that we place them in the Quezon City Jail, Mr. Chair.
Now, ako, I talked to the moment kay Congressman Tulfo, ako okay din ako na 15 days. But of course, every hearing, within that 15 days, papatawag kayo, pag ayaw nyo pa rin mag-cooperate, sumagot, it all depends on the members of this committee and the chair, kung i-extend yung contempt order sa inyo, detention order nyo. So, ako, Mr. Chairman, I have consulted with Congressman Tulfo. I move to detain them for 15 days in the premises of the House.
So, all right.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
So, there is a motion by this is the parliamentary status of the motion of Congressman Tulfo with regards to the violation that was committed by the PNP personnel to cite them in contempt. And there was a previous amendment by Congressman Bosita enumerating the following PNP personnel, and then there is another amendments on the motion that will be the penalty that will be meted out for these PNP personnel will be a period of 15 days and in the premises of this House of Representatives, considering the recommendation of Congressman Flores that they be committed on the Quezon City Jail until such time that they have meted out the truthfulness of what transpired based on the CCTV and the PWC. The motion of Congressman Erwin Tulfo, any second the motion on the said motion? There's a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is now approved. So the Sergeant of Arms is being directed to bring all these personnel after the hearing. Okay.
Sergeant at Arms are ready to take hold of the 6 PNP personnel.
Yeah.
Supposed to be detained for contempt.
So accordingly, after the adjournment of this committee, the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to bring all those personnel who have been citing into contempt in our custody.
Sige, magsinungaling ka ngayon sa akin.
Yes, Your Honor. Gamit po namin po
Gamit
yan.
yun,
Opo, Your Honor.
at saka backpack.
Your Honor, yes po.
Gamit nyo galing sa operation.
Galing po sa DSOU office po.
Ang follow-up, Congressman Acop, saka Congressman Busita. Kayo may-ari ng backpack. Opo. At kung kayo may-ari ng backpack, nasa bahay nyo na yon, saka yung maleta, correct? Kayo may-ari di ba?
Iniwan na po namin doon sa DSOU po.
Bakit mo iiwan doon? Bakit mo iiwan yung maleta?
Gamit na
Ikaw
po na,
may-ari doon. Ikaw may-ari nun, ng dalawang maleta. Bakit nyo iiwan sa DSOU?
halo-halo na po yung mga gamit namin doon, Your Honor.
Ba't yung mga damit mo? Ba't mo iiwan sa DSOU?
Kinarga ko na po sa sasakyan, Your Honor.
Ano?
Kinarga ko na po sa sasakyan.
Nasa sasakyan mo na yung yung maleta.
Opo, nung
So,
reach
inuwi nyo
po.
na.
Opo.
Okay, ganun. Desden, inuwi mo na yung maleta mo.
Your Honor, naiwas sa DSOU, Your Honor.
Sa'yo naiwan sa DSOU. Bakit mo iniwan sa DSOU? May dalaman ng mga gamit mo. Personal mo mga gamit. Bakit mo iniwan sa DSOU?
Nakamotor lang ako, Your Honor, kaya
Hindi mo siya binalikan?
may dala. Hindi, nasa DSOU office, Your Honor.
Okay nga, iniwan mo doon.
Kasi narilib na po kami doon, Your Honor.
Bakit mo iniwan? Andun ang mga gamit mo.
Your Honor, nilagay ko po sa isang bag lahat ng
Nakuha
mga
mo na?
gamit ko. Yes, Your Honor.
Nakuha mo na. Nasa iyo na ang maleta. Nasa iyo na ang maleta.
Wala sa akin, Your Honor. Nandun sa,
Kinuha mo na Tapos kasi sabihin mo, wala sa iyo. Ano totoo?
naiwan po dun sa DSOU.
Bakit mo iniwan? Personal mo mga gamit nandun.
Pinagkasya ko lang po sa motor, sir.
Ano pinagkasya mo sa motor? Sabi mo iniwan mo, ngayon pinagkasya sa motor. Ano
Bali,
totoo?
nilipat ko po yung mga gamit, sir. Pinagkasya ko lang po para may karga sa
So
motor.
nasa iyo na ang maleta.
Wala na po, sir.
Nasaan ang gamit mo?
Pinagkasya ko po sa isang bag sa mga plastic, Your Honor.
Bakit mo iniwan ang maleta mo?
Wala na po kami sa DSOU.
Oo nga, ba't hindi mo binalikan? Maleta mo yun. Magkano yung maleta? Binili mo yun. Kung yan sabi ni Demokrito, inuwi na yung kanya. Isa yun, hindi mo inuwi.
Hindi ko po yung...
Kasi, kaya hindi nyo inuwi, dahil yung dalawang maleta, nasa DSOU. Gusto mo pakita namin? Gusto nyo pakita namin yung dalawang maleta na naandun sa DSOU? At ikaw, Demokrito, nagsisinungaling ka na nasa iyo na. Wala sa iyong maleta, nasa DSOU. Ano? Papakita namin. At pag napakita namin, we will cite both of you in contempt. Babawiin nyo, hindi. Demokrito, Dexter, ano? Babawiin nyo, hindi.
Yung sa akin, sir, nasa DSOU officer.
Mr. Chair,
Hindi yan. Alisin nyo yan, alisin nyo.
hindi, Mr. Chair, yung pag-check-in nyo dun sa hotel, at what time and date did you do it? Oh, sagutin nyo ako.
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor.
Hindi mo malaman?
So I would suggest we cite these police officers in contempt today.
Okay, Sergeant at Arms are ready to take hold of the 6 PNP personnel
Yeah.
supposed to be detained for
Yes.
contempt.
So accordingly, after the adjournment of this committee, the Sergeant at Arms is hereby directed to bring all those personnel who have been citing into contempt in our custody.